Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to enlarge candles on TradingView. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in TradingView and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, we have in the top the sections, we have the product section, community, market, news, brokers, and more. Right here, you can see your profile settings, and so on. And right here, if you go to the search bar, you can click right here to search for markets. As you can see, guys, right here, you're going to find a list that includes all of the markets. You can filter also, you can only see stocks, funds, futures, forex, crypto, indices, bonds, and lastly, economy. Right here in the right, you're going to find your watch list. You can also switch to the read list. You can import a list or you can create your own list. For example, I'm gonna see Apple charts by clicking right here. And then we're gonna be right here. So from here, you can see on super charts. From here, you can see with all the currencies. Right here, as you can see, guys, you're gonna see, you can click right here to get widgets. You can see by area or by candles. You can take a snapshot and you can launch the full chart view. In order to be able to enlarge the candles, we're going to click on full chart view. And then from here, all you need to do, guys, in order to enlarge the candles is go right here, for example, click, alt click, and then you need to drag like this. Just drag from the top to the bottom like this, and then the candles will be enlarged. So this is guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.